welcome to Audi Mechanical and the rusty old Audi. So today's job is shitey old, rusty old. Get a close up of the face there. ABS sensor. My luck, you can't see because I can't hold the light on. I don't want to touch that, but there you go. Now, a man with some sense would turn the wheel, wouldn't he? But nah, can't be bothered doing that. So, the sensor. There we go. We'll just going to get that Allen key out and get that out. But I think that Stevie's been losing some grease at some point in his life. I'm also not 100% sure about that bush down there. There's another one up there. Could be gone. I don't like them when I get like that. They're starting to knot like fuck. But you never know. We'll see. We'll see at the next stage. Alright. See you at the next stage. I'd try and film it, well, the whole lot, but to be honest with you, it's going to take me a while. And I love the way my jack is. Kind of get it right under. But don't worry, there's an oxygen on there. There's a wheel underneath it. It's going to fall, it'll fall mat. So, I'll think about with this, and I'll see you in a bit. Oh, there's the fucking thing out. It took a bit of heaving and hoeing, but it actually came out. I used a technique that's better known as a screw. The fucking thing snapped because rust and shit. I didn't want to drill it because of the magnetic ring. I'm going to stick it all back together now because it's just started raining. Typical bastard Scotland. But anyway, right. We'll see when it's well. Let's the ABS sensor back in. Oh, bit low down, but there you go. I'm now going to have to do something about that rubber boot. Then I'm going to have to jack this thing up a bit. New rubber boots for it. I'm gonna have to try and get actually standing under there. I'm not too worried about that. It's now got black paint that'll go on that. So I'm gonna crack on. This is the launch tool. This is quite a good tool. Like this is an Audi A4. Plug it in. We'll see what it'll detect. It's pretty good. Like there's quite a few updates to it when it comes. Like I've shown in the pictures the yep, I've shown in the pictures the little bag it comes in. It's quite a good little bag, like. It's quite handy, you can put it on a belt or something like that. Excuse me. It's gone in there just now. It's going to pop up, probably pop up a few folds, but right. So This is just because I had the battery of it yesterday. Got a few of them there, like, but not worried about any of that. Okay. Good enough. So I haven't actually got it connected to the battery went flat on this, and I hadn't cleared any of the codes or nothing, so the battery went flat on this yesterday. I just put a new tell light. I just put the battery on charge and didn't bother putting a new battery on it, although it probably does need a new battery. So, like, it's pretty good for what it is, like I say. I know why that's like that. And search the code. Obviously got it connected to the internet at the moment. I'm not even going to worry about that, to be honest. I'm just going to clear it, because it's not too bothered about that things. Out here, out here, and just some of the things you don't have to do. Special functions. To make this too long, but R-Blue, DPF, throttle, ABS bleeding, battery reset, oil reset, brake reset. Now you can see them all there. But anyway, I mean, all in all, good tool for the money. Comes in a nice wee carry case. I mean, I'm well chuffed with it. A great wee machine, like, for the money. Yeah. Alright.